was a manly scream, I swear.
Wait, what was that?
I'm okay. Oh no! No!
New shit. That's a sword! That's a sword! He sucks. Darren, you suck too.
True. Oh, my dick is small! Oh! MLG OnlyFans! MLG OnlyFans! Oh! There's a hologram!
Oh!
Come here! Run boy! MLG OnlyFans! Ah! 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 Oh! Wait! No, I need health back! Wait, no!
Darren, do you...
Ah! Wait! Ah! I think I fucking managed to scream so loud my Halo figure fell down. We're not girl streamers though, dude.
Bro,
we can't wear bikinis in the hot tub.
We can change your skin to the Old Spice guy. Minecraft.
Wait, is it Minecraft?
No, it's real life, but like we can like adjust it.
Change my real life skin.
Yeah.
Get fucking cosmetic surgery to look like the Old Spice guy.
just paint your skin.
Wait, does that count as pie?
It does. I think it definitely. Bro, this Anna's person's been next. I'm gonna betray her. If she ever has a sniper again, I'm just gonna kill her for it.
Turn around, you Down syndrome having fuck. Nice.
Alright, I'll hold the energy sword for you.
Oh shit!
Man.
You okay?
Oh my god, stupid.
Oh, let's run! Shit! No! Ew, I hate the red energy sword. It's so gay looking. What are you doing? Ah! Oh, it's so laggy! What? Oh, wait! What? How are they teleporting? These guys are hacking! Fuck you! Answer, baby! Fucking what?
I'm just so confused.
Get your fucking dumb whore ass over here. Fucking. Oh! No, fuck this game, dude. I don't even care. Version of Griffball, seriously. Oh, there he goes! There he goes! Oh, Down syndrome boy! Fucking hang yourself. Oh my. Fuck! God, I fucking hate that shit!
Look at the armor.
Wait, what is their armor look
They're all
like?
like default.
Why is that a good skin, Miles?
No, they're garbage. I don't know what you're talking about. The skin sucks.
Yeah, we're going up against bronzes!
No?
Yeah?
We are?
Yeah!
Oh my god, I thought I was saying, I was about to say I got my mojo back. No.
At the top of the elevator, by the way. Watch out. Oh,
Nah, friendly fire is not on for Halo 4.
is it not?
Yeah.
I've killed so many teammates, though.
No, you haven't.
In general.
Wait! Oh, I just headshotted him.
That doesn't do anything. He's using he's using the auto sentry. That doesn't do anything. That thing's a glorified fucking vacuum cleaner.
Watch this, Assassin's Creed.
Oh, I have no fucking idea what you're doing, man. The shit that I'm saying right now, you can't.
Yes, you can. Like, who's gonna stop me? Twitch?
Twitch? Yeah, Twitch!
What are they gonna do? Ban me?
That's exactly what they're gonna do. Ah, enemy sword! Oh, I'm off. Miles, you almost got fucking blown to shit. Miles, what the fuck are you doing? Are you playing fucking Rainbow Six? What are you doing? Stand up!
I killed 2 of them.
Did you actually? What the fuck? Miles?
Okay, it's hard. It's much harder than it looks, right?
Dude, the day that I get to play, I don't know whether I'm gonna be proud or just like disgusted.
Disappointed.
it's like I would be upset that I spent like a good couple years of my life playing this worthless game just to get to plat.
Don't worry, it's just like me with Valorant. I don't know if I'm gonna be a degen or a loser if I keep playing. I just roasted half the community.
I love that you can tell Xbox names immediately. Like, there's no way that anyone would ever name themselves Secret Brush 78.
How about MLG OnlyFans?
Yeah, no, there's not a chance in hell that that is
Oh, hello. Hi.
Ah! Wait!
He sword blocked you. He sword blocked you.
You know, he didn't sword block me, I missed.
You want your sword back? You want to know why we're losing?
What the fuck, we're losing?
Press tab.
Wait! What the fuck, dude? Oh my god, our teammate's cracked.
Give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this!
Yes! Good shit. Alright, now let's not lose.
Sorry, I just killed my teammate.
Are you, Miles, are you fucking kidding me? You get your fucking assassination and then you think you're a hotshot? No, who's talking?
talking?
What? You're talking, Miles!
Yeah, because we're in the same Discord call. What do you want me to do?
No! You're talking in-game!
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are! You keep pressing the button by accident.
No, I'm not. My button's
Yeah, you
How
do!
do I press I? How do I press
Miles, you are literally talking! Ah!
talking?
Miles, your button has lit up so many times.
No, he is talking. He is talking. Dick's Turbia.
Fuck off! You're killing me. Oh
yeah,
fuck, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. Jesus, what's wrong with you?
Okay, okay. I just want to test it. Sorry, I was just testing it out.
Are we fucking pushing up?
It's one guy. Kill him.
Two guys, two guys, two guys, two guys, two guys, three guys.
That's not a hole. That's not a hole.
They're multiplying, dude.
I got some material. Hold on, give me a sec.
What is this material? The game is also starting. So what is this material?
All right.
Wait, which one is this?
So I went to a Chinese place, right?
Chowny Ma.
No. I went to a Chinese place, right? I didn't know they served dog, but they served cat.
Fuck off. Fucking suck a dick, dude. What the fuck? Oh! Ah! Miles! What is wrong with you? Ah, dude. Oh, God.
I hate the scatter shot so much, man.
It's such a shit gun.
Yeah, but I keep dying to it.
What the fuck?
I had a spree of -4, 5. I haven't killed that
Ow.
of -4. Our team had to kill that KD
A negative 10?
game so badly. Oh, there's another guy. Got him. Jump him.
What the fuck? Why? He quit!
Oh,
You fucking see that? That's the funniest shit in the world.
exactly.
Ah!
Exactly.
Fucking Christ, dude! Fuck you and your fuck up, Fezzes. Miles, what are you doing?
Sniper.
Jesus!
Guy, he
Miles.
ran in front of me. He ran in front of me. He ran in front
There
of me.
was nobody,
There
Miles.
was a guy. Do you not see that guy?